We've got 2 burgers, 8 wings. That's what we've got. There's actually a chicken burger and a double beef burger, double bacon burger, smash burger. So guys, we are going to get into. I'll wait for when.
Let it cool down a bit.
Let it cool down a bit, guys, and we're going to smash this.
Yeah, so that is steaming hot.
Right then, let me get this time lapse on the go. Yeah. Right, that's the time lapse good. I'll start whenever. So guys, we're going absolutely nuts. So we've got 45 minutes to finish this, guys. I could do that in 12 minutes. That's a bold statement on this kid, but we're going to get into it. Again, just show what we've got. That's what we've got, guys. Loaded fries. We've got chicken burger, beef burger, and wings. Come on, guys. Keep that.
Get a picture.
What?
Get a picture.
Yeah.
Before we start.
I think send me that over.
I was going to put it on this morning, but I'll change it.
Yeah.
Just let it come round about first, is it? Let's see.
But you know what the thing is, you don't want the chicken, this chicken is murder when it goes too cold, aren't you? I mean, you've got bacon there as well, which isn't. You'll be alright,
That's not my sort of thing.
Is it not?
No. Salt sauce, no, I don't like that sort of thing.
Just do what you can, mate.
That's what I do most of the time.
Good luck, anyway.
You see?
I don't want to go too cold because of these chips and that. You'll be fucked. I'm ready whenever you. If you want me to set, you can. But I know last time these.
Yeah, John, I've got to start.
Aye, let's go. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, we'll go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let's start it.
Yeah.
Nice.
This one? Yeah, I want the rolls for it. I'm going to do these 2. And then we're really going to get on for it. Here's one for it. So we do that. I've called it C.R.A.W.F.O.R.D. Yeah. Right, so that's 2 chicken burger boxes tonight. Chicken burger box name, remember?
I've been surviving the week working on.
Video. Have patties on the way. Wings are up there for 9. We'll have wings are.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Can I get a taste bacon from Paul's Portion Bacon and Cheese Fries?
Running both of those.
Landor and what will you do? I had this couple of Thursday night. This gives me free. So it's just $800 that I have them all. See that one? Is that not okay? There is. Is that not okay? The cheese or something? Oh, it's just another one.
Well,
Another way
fuck you all.
Just that it's like crispy.
That's first one.
One back, yeah. That's the last one.
Yeah, well, you can like try and get through that one.
Can't eat the chicken first.
Yeah.
chicken.
Yeah. There's a lot and all.
Can't eat that. After
The buffalo sauce is guys burning the fucking mouth off you, fuck. And these gloves aren't healthy.
Barbie. Barbie.
Three minutes ago.
3 minutes. I'm done. Cooking that too. Go up, man. I want some. I can't grab the fucking chip because of these gloves, they keep sliding off.
That's too much crackle.
What?
Too much crackle.
You're looking up, man. You can do it, man. We'll both smash this up.
That looks spicy out.
Here you go, caramel latte in there.
You know, I should have eaten, really. I should have eaten.
Really?
Alright. I don't know. Going sickly. It's one of them. It's one of them. Come on. Straight to it. Got that red?
Yeah, it's burning. It's right.
Kidding me?
Morning's waiting on a chicken burger as well. Another chicken burger coming.
Come on, guys, we got a...
That's got chili plate on it. Yeah. Lovely. It's too much crackle.
I'm fucking sort of sweat, guys. I'm just sitting here.
Yeah, clear that water.
I'll be glad when this spray's done. Fuck me.
And the freezer.
Nah, that's too spicy. That am a bit spicy. A little wings.
I've tried the red one.
Yeah.
Did you
Yeah,
like
come on,
It's
slapping
so
it. Come on, Stefan, lad.
Before it's down. Before it's down.
That's it, bro, that's it. What's your custom cook, bro? Go on, son.
Yeah,
I don't know if Millie can hear me. She's asking how long do you guys have? So we have 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
right, I'll just do your next one, yeah?
Okay, turns out this was that much weight.
Do you want to do these actually?
Fucking bit more in. Nice fair play to you.
Let's get what's up.
It's good technique.
Just put rid of the fork. Oh, this is spicy. Fuck off. So I chicken man. That beers I'm panicking about.
Okay, will you give Nadine over the soda as well when it's done? That's for that.
Excuse me. Fair play to you, sir. Fair play, man. Fucking great, fucking onion.
Maybe it's a real one, also.
Nah, I don't know what you just said, but...
Just ignore the text.
I thought you were better. I don't think buffalo.
Is that all buffalo?
Separately, but it's separately now. I prefer with them on that. No sauces. Oh, fucking bacon.
One tiger, yeah. We're going to go with that one. That's what we're going to Exactly. The light going on Glassdoor and what was I doing? Yeah.
Almost done the first straight, guys.
Well, that makes sense.
I need to work the full back far. Too much more.
You guys are 10 minutes, just over 10 minutes in.
Yeah.
You cut up bacon ready?
Alright. I did show them. I'm gonna ruin this bacon in about 30 seconds. So what? Actually, it's a double fucking blessing.
You got it.
Pickles, man.
Honey chili? Yeah.
Pickles, guys, are fucking... Can't stand the pickle, guys.
Jack just asked how's it going.
Alright. That's alright, I suppose. There's sorry, couple of pickles here, half eat. No, it's not looking good. It's hot too. My mouth's on fire, that's it. But in there, my mouth's on fire. My tongue stings. That's so hot.
Oh.
Call me.
Is that Fiona House or Finn House?
Yum's hot over here.
Yes, Lindsay, we can do it, well.
Oh my god. It's purple.
Right, I think she says it.
I need chilling. God, son.
I put water in my mouth and then I got that pickle.
Is that
Yeah, that's what I did. I nearly did it.
Yeah, just outside of jail.
45 minutes.
What do you call it? I think the take yeah.
She's chilling, man. Excuse me, guys.
He says all life work.
Like that?
Yeah. Today we're going to drink some cream as well. But I like to order the pasta burger box.
How long will it come past? Time?
Time. You've done about 13 minutes now. Just over.
Not bad.
Just keep pushing them.
Ours KFC back in as well. Hold on, you can.
Oh,
Huh? Oh. Have you had one?
I don't want to know.
There you go.
Little lime. No.
Rachel said, do you feel horrible after eating challenge?
Depends how big it is. Some's not too bad, some's worse than others. If it's a lot, yeah, that puts me out of commission for a few hours. I have to lie down.
So I felt the other day when I did a couple of food reviews.
Yeah.
Felt like shit the day after.
Yeah. I'm not too bad the day after.
Yeah.
Just a bit tired. Just digestion and stuff overnight. But see after it, then you go lie down. You know, if it's a home one where I can, but when I go to England and stuff and I can't lie down, I have to just walk it off. You just have to walk. Get back to the airport and all. Get a wee can of Monster. And get straight on the plane and just pass out. Sweating with this.
Naomi just joined. She said hello.
Really? Oh my god.
Just keep going.
That's my worst nightmare.
Have to ignore it. Hi, Naomi. That's a pancake taekwondo week off.
Australia.
Rocket.
Dragon tea just said nothing worse than eating something you don't like for a time.
Seems to be a wrong thing these days.
I'm panicking about them. They're fucking rotten.
Just like that hot as shit.
I've had 3 today in preparation for them.
Oh, yeah, XP one, don't be like that, lad.
Nice try.
Prepare jack sauce for this challenge.
Got all that left, guys. Once that's fucking done.
A double smash burger with bacon. A chicken burger. 8 chicken wings. 4 different sets of root fries. One was, they all had chicken and bacon on them. Like, one had barbecue sauce, one had the chili sauce, or the chili fries, hot top, buffalo sauce, and I can't remember the other one. I can't remember what the other sauce was. But no, buffalo barbecue and this spicy chili. Yeah, they're so spicy.
I'm sweaty. I'm sweaty from the heat or fucking meat sweat. I don't know. One of them.
He did say English food is fun.
You say what we're doing here in English?
What now?
Yeah.
Well, guys, if you want to fucking English, because we've got my mouth full. We've got speed eating challenge. A chicken burger, double bacon cheeseburger, 4 sets of different loaded fries, and 8 different flavoured wings. We've got 45 minutes to eat it. And this is all. You know what? I never thought. The first time I did it, I thought because of that. Anton combo, yes, what's going on? Wow. That's a massive one. What's the time?
You're just over 18 minutes.
18 minutes.
Not bad, not bad.
25 minutes.
I'm really. Oh my god. Why's it really fun? Oh my god.
Go on, son.
I don't like relish.
No, I don't like pepper, I don't like coffee.
I fold it.
Guys, get over to Steph Too Hungry on TikTok and give him a follow up. Not only Steelio, leave it to the professional, son.
Naomi said the other mic is really working. I'm assuming you can hear like everything then.
Nothing here.
Probably me, I'll feel grumpy while I'm eating.
You're like you guys gagging. Rachel also asked what's been the toughest challenge so far.
No, that pancake one.
Pancake one you did last week.
Yeah, that week. Yeah.
Control menus. Cafe.
Yeah. People menus. Between the 3 of us.
Filling it up then.
Full bar, pancake menu, 2 challenge stacks, and 12
Gins.
normal stacks.
I'm struggling with them.
You know, 2
Struggling with them, Gins.
The gagging is on point. Something
Oh yeah, boy.
Oh, Joe, the flavour of that pickle on the burgers is
Oh, it's not kind of, yeah, it's on the thing.
I can taste it, or even I can taste them off. I'll go swallow it because of the pickle.
Go red with eating.
Got it down. Fucking got it down. Do you know that taste of pickle dead strong?
You two are going to set each other off.
Oh, another one. Come on, man.
I thought it was easy.
Yes, of course, you can't help yourself.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry, guys.
Rachel just said this is taking a turn.
That's the pickles, guys. It's the gherkins and the pickles. I can't stand them. Come on, guys.
I love that.
It's not even that. I'm full. I'm getting full. It's the taste of it all. And the sauces and everything mixed in with it. It's just, and the cold, all of it, it's just like rock hard like.
Yeah.
Right, I need another 2 chicken burgers on. Yeah, 2 of them.
Hi, Big Joe. You doing well, mate? Over 2 stone down, son. Don't you keep worrying about my on the road diet, Kev. Guys, I do apologise about the swearing on Staff Live.
That buffalo's like I hate buffalo like.
Well, we had 25.
23.
20 minutes left.
Another 20 minutes left.
Right.
Yeah.
I don't know whether chill for 5 minutes and attack it. I love it, man. It's brilliant.
I'm just trying to get it in like.
Yeah.
I think unless if you stop, you will want to keep going.
Do you think?
Yeah. I don't know.
I haven't even got much left, guys. It's just.
Put down 2 scratches, well. 2 scratches.
I'm not paying 40 quid, guys. Oh, fucking up, man, is it?
Yeah, Rachel's also saying if you stop, you might not be able to start again.
How's the thing?
Yeah.
Oh shit. There. I'm going to be so fucking hard. They're going to be so fucking hard.
Chicken ones.
There.
Very spicy ones.
Excuse me, guys. Sorry. Casey Lee, if you're still watching this live, I'm going to be too full to cook your pie tonight. 100%, man.
Yeah. Go.
I'll be bedbound when I get in. Come on, Steely, I'll have. Come on, son.
Yeah, boy.
Just fine.
I'm doing it right, like,
Fair play. That's an hard one, mate. I don't know how you're feeling with
You guys got this.
holy fuck. To be honest, looks a bit smaller than last one. The welcome there. Right, chicken wings.
cook off, dry, here.
I'll lay more.
Whatever you got it in. Last time you introduced it.
That fucking is lovely.
Sorry.
I don't know, why do it all?
Look at me. Well, I don't get in.
Canada.
Well done, guys. You're doing good.
Yeah. What you doing? Come on. Really, yeah.
Pick up the fish. You're coming back in 30 minutes.
Are we?
Oh my gosh.
Just push the walls.
It's the ladders and the line and there's too much.
Holy shit.
Can you use a flavor? You get kind of fancy. Or Sprite, actually. Sprite would do. Thank you so much. No smashing it now, man. You're pulling back, you're pulling time back. Hard. This is wild. Right. Please be able to push that.
You take that out, you're gonna have to eat it once in the dish.
And then blow all that up at the end, the salad.
Oh, that
One from 7 wins that. Just hold it. I want to move Luke. I don't think I can do it. Sauces. Health is the thing for me. Make me. It's not that I'm full up. I could probably do. You know what I mean? If the sauces was. I mean. Just the salt, yeah, there's a lot of sauces on everything, on literally everything, like. But don't get me wrong, it's supposed to be a challenge, you get what I mean? How long's left? 30 minutes. 13 minutes left, guys. them dry as well. Lamb. And lamb.
Did you say that at the end of the chat? Or do you know exactly what changed it? Yeah.
Disgusting, mate.
20 wings.
I was 8 last night.
Yeah.
Alright.
But
There was 8. I'll check back on my thing. There was 8. There was 8.
Yeah.
There was 2 flavours, 4 different flavours, 2 wings in each flavour.
straight over here.
Ah, no, that's more than what they gave us last time. So basically, I'd have 4 wings left. Guys, this is hard, but this is hard.
Nope.
Don't worry.
Dry tags I've got. Holy fuck.
Your sausages. Yeah, that's I said short right there. Oh yes, yeah, fair enough. Yeah,
Good stuff, lad.
everybody likes the chips. They just both went at the same time. Yeah.
Oh, you have?
Like 10 minutes left.
Yeah.
Big fisherman said, "Oh, step and let's go nearly there." Pick up the kids soon, like.
Are you full?
Yeah.
8? I'm full. 4, mate.
We're stuck around this board.
That's what I'm doing. Oh, I'm not going to be able to do it. It's up the lamb. Wait till you try one now.
Huh?
Wait till you try one now.
Alright.
I'm bottom what right ones there. What do you got?
Alright.
I don't know. Lime, lemon, lime.
I don't know if there's up there, something around probably honey mustard, honey chili, the red ones that are on there.
That must be the mustard. It tastes like lemon, like limey. I'm not going to do it. Restricted, what for? Got a restriction. TikTok can't handle a few wings.
Video fisherman said he was on your live just to tell you guys you're doing amazing.
Go on, foodie fisherman lad. I don't think I can do this, guys. I don't think I can.
You're so close.
40 bastards worth. I'm not going to do it, man. I think wall. That brick wall, yeah. My head's just bouncing off it like.
If you give yourself a wee minute or two, then you might just have to go through.
Oh god. The stomach and everything. Fucking hell, stuff. It's hard in this, is. But there was only 8 rings last time. £40. Well, I don't know, we just paid for the food, eh? This is hard, guys, this is really fucking hard.
Morning, Brad, taking the golf bag, and that is taking the long race.
Looks fine, you can do it. You can do it, bro. I don't know, you can't. I don't know, you should.
No, because I use the order to get it done. Be a judgment to professionally staff.
Come on, lad. Come on. I've hit that wall, guys. That brick wall on the edge was fucking being bounced off it, man. Come on, Steph, lad. This one of us do it, lad. Fuck. Guy. I can't do it, guys. I think I'm going to be thick.
4.5 weapons he got this.
Nah, that's me. Alright, look. I'm bad now. Excuse me. Live will end in 4 minutes. Can you slide that puzzle piece across to the middle for me?
Yeah. It froze and apparently.
Go on, Steph. Fucking smashing it, lad. Thank you. Fucking plenty. How long's left? 4 minutes left. Go on, bro. Go on, lad. Go on, Steph. What have you got left? 4 wins, that's 1 a minute, lad. Come on, smash it off, bro. Come on, lad. That's me, guys. I can't do it. Steph too hungry, guys. Get over following. He is absolutely annihilated. He's got 4 wings left. 4 wings left. There's 3.5 minutes left on the timer. 3.5 minutes left. Yeah. I can't eat any more, guys. I've hit that wall.
I'm trying. Right, it's coming up.
Go on, lad.
It's not coming up.
Fair play.
Holy shit.
Yes, lad.
Yeah.
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 I don't mind it. Holy fuck.
Like, guys, I'm telling you.
No, not celebratory. The other one.
Do you even want out, does it?
Neck hard.
Just some of these lads.
No, just off the shackle. It's not.
Any more napkins there?
Yeah.
Guys, that was an hard challenge. I mean, if anyone thinks they can annihilate it, get yourselves down to Jose's Deli in West Belfast, Hillview Road, just behind just at the back of near Pure Gym. Get yourselves down.
For sweet pop, think my hands off.
Fair play to you, man. Fair fucking play. Do you know what? We did what we could do. I've hit that wall. My hand's bouncing off the wall. That's what he had left. That's what he had left. There was no chance of me finishing it. The sauces, there was just too much sauce. The sauces around the wings, it was just too much. It was repeating. And it got a bit sickly like, guys, so... but at the end of the day, it is a challenge, guys, you get what I mean? And at the same time, but last time there was only 2 wings of each flavour, but this time there was 3, so... But we've attacked it, we've tried it, and the time was up, guys. And we failed. So, this is the last time I'll be back for do this, because it's the second time. I might come back later on, right, but won't be any time soon. But guys, I'll do a video on it, and if you think you can do it, get down and try it, guys. It's a good crack. It's a good crack. Please do that and break the tray. Both of the tray.
What else?
Look at the grease. Yeah. Steph. Absolute privilege, mate.
I only had 4 wings left.
Oh, 6 really, you did it. You did it really.
Real bad.
Guys, I'm gonna end the live. Get over C.R.A.W.F.O.R.D. C.R.A.W.F.O.R.D. on his TikTok. Get over, follow him up. He's an absolute gent. Get over to his Instagram, C.R.A.W.F.O.R.D. I've done a video before this challenge. It is uploaded. Is C.R.A.W.F.O.R.D's link to his TikTok is in there. Get over and give him a follow. Oh, and Anton Combo Do Spice, you're an absolute legend. Nate Williamson, yes, what's going on? Saw you were in Finnegy, why did you not pop up to me lot? I'm not sure where in Finnegy you were, Nate.
Yeah, I was just like, please don't.
I try not to.
Guys, it was a good attempt. No Sinead. In this case, a man v food. Food won. Food won. We did our best. That's what's left. That's Stefan. He did his best. But guys, I'm going to end this live. Love yous all. If you're following this account, get over, follow it, get into my bio, get across, follow me back up account. It's in my bio. Get over to my Instagram. And so follow me on Instagram. I love yous all. Thank you for the support, likes, follows, shares. I'll see you.